Union Home Minister Amit Shah bra high-level committee chair Guradi, Assam aro Gujarat te 2024 sal flood aro landslides per affect Twigna Takagan Nimidi additional central assistance of rupees 707.97 crore approved Krisha. Report is sub central assistance to National Disaster Response Fund Pradibolese. Total amount of rupees 707.97 crore approved Guradi, Assam ki rupees 313.69 crore aro Gujarat ke rupees 394.28 crore approved Krisha. Assam D 2024 sal May April Luigna July Moina tak narukigna pandikiri taka karan. Assam laga 19 districts day 1,325 posti affect wadi 109 manu murishe. Report is up flood bra 3 million manugi affect krigna 2.5 million manugi displaced kritishe. Pandikiri Takakaran, Brahmaputra, Kopili, Barak, Aro, Kushiyara rivers kan overflow huigna. Panibra, 16,000 hectares keti submerged krishe. Aro Hazar upar kor biak ridishe. Kaziranga National Park, Aro Tiger Reserve flood huade, Tuiso upar chanwar murishe. Gujarat dibi Joasal August aro September moina di flood aro landslide samna kurishe. Gujarat laga alak-alak jaga di flood aro landslide huade pura milaik na 61 manu murishe aro 37,000 manu upar ki evacuate krishe. Gujarat de matikira karan 900 upar rasta block regional core infrastructure bishi biak ridishe. Central Sarkar bra financial year 2025 to 26 nimide under SDRF 27 states ki rupees 13,603.20 crore released Krisharo under NDRF 12 states ki 2,024.04 crore released Krignase. Additionally, State Disaster Mitigation Fund 21 states ki rupees 4,571.30 crore aro Nota states ki National Disaster Mitigation Fund rupees 372.09 crore released Krisha.